Hi guys, this was yesterday's video. So we woke up early in the morning kaya that day ni Atomi sa city kay sukdan si Yumi gown for upcoming wedding tomorrow sa akong gwapang classmate sa college. So while waiting diha sa may plaza, gafido na siya sa mga birds. And I think it was her first time kikatong ni Arimate was like 2 years old pa good siya. So nalingaw siya kaayo. Then sakto pud kay pag humanighatag sa mga popcorn sa mga birds ni abot ako mga classmate. And I was so happy to meet them for a long time. Ug makamingaw gyud tong panahon pa sa mga college days, no? Ug mo nang gingon na the friends you make in college are friends you have for life even if you don't talk for years at a time and are just part of your amazing journey as you roll back the memories you had. So makamingaw gyud kaayo, no? So here na misa lang shop ug sukdan na si Yumi and the rest of my classmates ug medyo luag ni niya pero sila na bahala mag-adjust ani and I just love the color. Then after ani nang ulit na mi, then I'll be posting my part 2 of this video. Thank you so much for watching guys. God bless.